Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fresh beer. First, gather your essential brewing equipment, including a 5-gallon fermenter, an airlock, and a reliable sanitizer. Next, select your high-quality ingredients: malt extract, hops for bitterness and aroma, a suitable yeast strain, and clean water. Remember, proper sanitation is absolutely critical at every step to ensure a successful and delicious brew. This foundational preparation sets the stage for a great beer. Now, let's dive into the brewing process itself. You'll begin by steeping your specialty grains or dissolving malt extract in hot water to create a sugary liquid called wort. Then, boil this wort for about 60 minutes, adding hops at precise intervals for bitterness, flavor, and aroma. Finally, rapidly cool the hot wort down to around 70 degrees Fahrenheit using an immersion chiller or ice bath. This quick cooling helps prevent unwanted off flavors. Once your wort is cooled, transfer it carefully to a sanitized fermenter. This is when you pitch your yeast, introducing the microorganisms that will convert sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Allow the beer to ferment for 1 to 2 weeks, maintaining a stable temperature, typically between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. After fermentation, you can bottle or keg your beer, adding a small amount of priming sugar for natural carbonation. After bottling, allow your beer to condition for an additional 2 to 3 weeks. This period is crucial for the priming sugar to fully carbonate your beer, developing a pleasant fizz. Store your finished bottles or kegs in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, which can cause skunking. Finally, serve your delicious homemade beer at its ideal temperature, typically 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, and savor your accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.